Got to go to her second HBCU. How exciting! Oh, y'all, look at the grass. It got the initials. That's so cute. This is a big behind school. I thought Hampton was big. I don't know. What you think, Mom? This is a big school, y'all. I'm gonna have to come back again when they in school. All right, y'all. So last time you seen me, we were going to the college. We went up to the college. My sister and them were able to get in and get on the actual campus to see more. We were not, but I'm gonna save that actually going into the school for another video. I've been able to see a lot of rentals and stuff out here, y'all, and the fact that it's right there by HBCU, that makes me also very happy. I did see a house that's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. They're asking $11.54 and it's right by the college. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. I was waiting for you to come back. Okay, my mom's back, so I'm gonna run in and go pee, and then we're getting on the road back to Florida. Yeah! It's 55 out here, y'all. 55 and raining.
Jarritos? Yes.
Look, they got 100% A in their window. Ooh.
I know.
Boom. Listen, y'all, we off of the exit. What exit? I don't know. I seen the sign for Captain D's, but I told my mama I want something that we're not gonna get in town. We done came across this little Mexican place, and out here in Georgia, y'all, Julio's. We at Julio's Mexican, and listen, they put the grade of the restaurant in the window out here, and they got 100%. Please don't take me offensively, y'all, but I could not really understand the lady. I couldn't. It took us some translating to get it done. So I know this food is going to be good. I know this food is going to be good. Baby, you ready to eat? We finna eat some Mexican. You want some Mexican?
We don't even know what it is, but
we got beef.
See? Listen, she want me to verify. I don't know. And I'm trying to order the food, okay?
I think I got beef, y'all.
But the thing is, it's 100% rated, so no matter what,
it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good because they gotta be clean and all of that.
The name is Julio Express, by the way. She told me some.
I'm sorry. No offense. No, please don't take it offense.
But it is called Fresh Mexican Grill.
So I wasn't lying.
No.
I'm ready. Oh, and then I got a drink. It's a pineapple drink.
She called Yarrows. That's what it's called.
I don't know. I don't know if that's a juice.
It's Jarro.
Oh, it's a soda.
Yes, in the bottle.
Okay.
Listen, I might have spelled that a little wrong.
We going full Mexican today. I'm gonna have to drink everything. I'm gonna have to drink everything. It's gonna be real good, y'all. It's gonna be real good. So I'm gonna come back.
It's gonna be great. And my grandbaby don't like it. She gonna tell you too.
Yeah, because this is also some random stuff that I'm also finna feed my baby. So
she will let you know.
We gonna find out if it was a bust or not. BRB.
So yeah.
We back. That's the soda. It focused a little bit. Alright, we got us some chips. True authentic. Hold on. We are Captain D's baby girl. Okay, do your thing. Do your thug thistle. We got some freshly baked tortilla chips. I wish I would have known. I would have asked for some salsa, but it's all good.
I think there's some in the bag.
Oh no, they're not fresh. But it's good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Chip. Chip. Good plan, girl. We got a short amount of time. Okay. I'm trying to get you some. Yeah, they freshly made, but
Yes, ketchup and cocktail.
alright. Do you like the chips, y'all? Oh, look at that. Oh, my bad, mama. Look at that, y'all. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Smells wonderful.
And we got chicken.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Look at that. Yeah.
What the heck? You got dirt in my bag? Gosh.
Yeah, we on the road trip.
Can you give me a straw? Oh, there's a straw in my bag.
Put it back up.
Can you check my bag?
It's a vibe all the time. It's a vibe all the time. If you know, you know. If you know, you know.
Oh, that looks good.
Okay.
That's
Mom
good.
got Captain D. She been unreveal her food.
Yes.
Y'all, we usually do not stop like this. We be, see ya. We do not sightsee when we stop. This don't be a part of the trip. We don't. We be trying to get to the destination. Girl, don't do that. I'm trying to eat my food.
Why do they feel like all of this in my bag? Like, what is going on? Like, everything
That's
is
good,
just-
baby.
Is it cheese? Is it what is it? Like, I don't understand.
You want some lettuce?
It's all in the bag. Want some fries?
Eat some of this first. Yeah.
She already done. She got fries.
Yeah. I can put you in the back with your fries. Come on. Enjoy some of this. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. I told your grandma to get some. Every time I try to tell her, she don't ever listen.
That's true to a certain extent too. This week, I gotta give this to her. She's been on the mind. Now, if she can give me the lotto numbers as much as she try to give me advice that hits, we'll be doing something.
She said a lot of numbers that hit. Not just the numbers, but the ones that's gonna hit.
Right, we gotta make it work.
You like tomatoes, baby? Yeah. Oh, that's nasty, Nia. Hi, you like tomatoes?
Yeah, I don't know. Eat tomatoes. I can catch up though. Does that count? I mean, it's red.
Not completely.
It's in the same
Hey, Shawty, you already done stuck an animal cracker in my oven. Just chill.
And can you please get your dirty hands out of the bed?
Oh my. Hi.
You gonna get sour cream? Like, what is going on with the bag? I just don't really understand what's happening here. I don't know if there's cheese in the bag.
Our spot, no complaints. Perfect delivery, no mess.
The irony is no matter where we stop, my food is always like this. Doesn't matter. It happens.
This baby done picked up my whole picture.
If y'all can see her, you should at least put that on camera. Like. So honestly, Julio's Express, hands down, is the favorite. As I told you, if she didn't like it, we would know it.
What you think about that, babe?
Look, you just taking too long. She picked the whole thing up. Oh.
That was nasty.
Look, and that's trying to look. She look for the camera.
Give me some.
Like you got your whole other side. You want my side.
Just a lot of cheese, and it's fettuccine cheese. It's thick.
Don't clog her up.
That's why I'm ripping it off. Hold on, baby.
Oh, okay. Makes sense now. It was macaroni and cheese sauce that found my bag.
Oh. What? I'm trying to give you some.
Well, it's their presentation. I didn't make the food. I just ordered it. I just expected these.
Ooh, Mia like, yeah, them eyes lit up. We eat
like
Mexican.
macaroni.
Yeah, she like that. Whew. Baby, let me tell you something. Georgia churches got me going to churches. Yeah. Yeah. They was a 90, 91.
Yeah, they had a.
They was more beachy than Florida.
Listen,
Babe, what you stepping on?
they also had
You stepping on?
special. You got 10 pieces.
You stepping
You
on
got 5 biscuits, 2 sides, with 10 jalapenos. I don't even know.
5 jalapenos.
5, sorry, correction. For $20.
Yeah. We don't got that in Florida.
No, no. But Thanksgiving was great. We got the best news ever as a family.
Yes, we did.
We got a cousin who popped in on us. You know, we got new members we just got to meet.
Well, they ain't members, but they knew Adam. They ain't members yet. Members is when you get married. Ain't nobody got married. So we got new people that family members are associated with. They ain't members. Just chill.
We're going too fast. Okay, too far. Well, we met new people. My niece beat my face.
We friendly, y'all. We friendly.
Sometimes, depending on how you come in. Oh.
Hold on, y'all. My baby daddy calling.
I hate that.
Okay, so like I'm saying, 7.5 because it's the good feta cheese. Y'all know what I'm talking about? That melt real thick like. And we got more of the feta cheese than we did get chicken. So if it was more chicken cheese balance, they would have did that. They would have did that. The chips is banging, so the chips is what saved us from going cheese crazy. And
technically, 100% was written by hand. Versus the one it was printed in bold italic.
no, it wasn't.
I bet you it was. We go right over there.
Oh Lord Jesus. Anyway,
She don't want to see that. Yeah, she can see that more. Huh?
what you eating? You want some? You're welcome. And then I have some of my mama tea. So Captain these, they get a point. Because they tea is good. And I should have got that like I said I was.
So you want to go back to them?
Where that other stuff at?
What else is on?
The drink.
Oh, it's back in there. She don't need to come on.
My baby stealing my chips, y'all. And they ain't give us no salsa.
You want to go over there? Go right now.
But I don't want to drink. Let me see. Yeah, I don't got nothing to drink. I do want to drink. Okay. And now we got this. Cause I don't got no. I wasn't thinking. I don't got no car drink.
Duh. That's why I kept saying we need to get something to drink.
Well, good thing we parked.
No, this is on you. Yeah.
We said, listen, we can take our time. We going home.
Right. My grandmother said she needs strips.
Yeah, mommy don't even know if you can drink it. Hey, just relax. Yeah, I said natural flavor soda, but
Turn around before you open it. What is that with?
oh, I don't want to know.
I know you want my tin.
No, just go around and I can get mine. She can get mine. I can't even open this. Can we take it back?
Mia.
Guys, I don't have a way to open it. Sorry, can I return it?
I don't think so. I don't think that's how it goes. I think we can go there and ask them to open it.
I just want a tea.
Now she just wants tea. After drinking my tea. Without permission. Just straight Jack.
She wasn't ready. I needed something to wash it down like now. And I couldn't get this damn soda open. I'm thirsty, man.
I've been thirsty.
Well, come on, Mom, so I can at least get my tea.
I'm coming. I'm in my truck.
They're not even the same size.
No, we ain't got to point it out. Just trying to enjoy the look from side.
Okay, top in these.
Do better. For the price. Look, let me show y'all. So
You
y'all
got
know.
3 hush puppies?
Yeah, I did. But this is the inconsistency. I ain't trying to be like a racist thing either. But this is a little darker. And this is golden. I don't know if the camera's zooming in on it or not. Okay. But macaroni, no noodles, all cheese. Green
Look
beans
like,
is
it
more
look like
vines.
Velveeta in a can. That's what
That's what it is.
That's what it look like.
But that's what it is. But yeah, no, I don't even know the rating for this, so I'm glad to go back through so I can look. Because my rating right now, out of 10, this is a straight 5.5. And I'm being nice.
I was thinking of 5. The tea.
That's why I gave her a 5.5.
My bad, y'all. Y'all seen that go? The tea is what give y'all a half one.
Exactly.
5 because the food cold and because my baby got some French fries. Yes, I'm gonna give it to her when she get her tea. Yo, we're gonna get mommy some drink. I wasn't thinking, and we don't have a.
Yeah, second drink because y'all just told me first drink.
No. All right, y'all. We done eating. I still ain't got my soda open, so I'll record me drinking that when I get home. I'll record that for that. But yeah, we done finished eating. I'm gonna put the baby back in her seat. I'm back on. I was gonna say I-75, but that's in Florida. Okay.
I just need a medium sweet tea, please.